Guys, right here is a digital food thermometer. Now, if you're cooking, you want a thermometer so you can keep track of the temperature of your food. Also, you can have a cook timer, and this thing is magnetic so it can stick to your oven and all the good stuff. And it has a waterproof temperature probe so you can plug that thing into whatever food you're cooking and measure the temperature. Inside the box right here, we got the manual, we got our thermometer with this huge LCD display. We also have the magnets in the back right here, and we got the probe right here. Simple to use enough. The probe right here connects to the device to snap it in right there, and this has some distance right here. So here's the probe. You have a nice length. Oh yeah, that's a good distance right there. So you can put this on your fridge or your oven, and you can put this inside your food. The digital thermometer uses two AAA batteries. So let's go ahead and get the battery installed right here. One right there, and another one right over here. This thing has a cook mode and a timer. So right now we're on a cook mode, so you can see there's cooking for a burger, there's cooking for pork, for turkey, whatever you want. There's a cook temperature and an alert temperature as well. If you want to use a timer, so right here, this is a timer mode right here. So you tap this and you are in a timer mode. So we can just go ahead and start it, and you can see right there, it's counting down. So a very cool, simple device. It's a cook timer and a digital thermometer with alert as well. And it has magnets here so you can stick it in your oven, your refrigerator, whatever you want. It comes with a nice long probe right here so you can put this in your food and monitor your temperature, or use a timer right here. Really nice device. Now the screen does turn off, so if you want to see it, you have to tap the screen right there, but it does have a bright screen once you actually tap on it. Again, it uses two AAA battery. This is a digital thermometer for your food.